Gentlemen, let's talk about a tool that has been hiding in plain sight for centuries. If you're dealing with persistent joint stiffness, if your sleep feels light and unrefreshing, or if you simply feel sluggish, this old-fashioned oil has been the subject of some fascinating reports. But the secret is not to drink it. Please do not drink it. My name is Alyssa Thompson. For the past 7 years, I've worked in men's health, helping men improve sleep quality, reduce chronic inflammation, and regain steady energy as they age. Now, I want to be very clear from the start. The secret lies in where you apply it before bed. Right here, for 7 consecutive nights, applied over your liver. And I want to be clear again. While the anecdotal evidence for this practice is compelling, and it has a long history of traditional use, the hard scientific research on castor oil packs, specifically, is still emerging. That said, what people are reporting after just 1 week is frankly too significant to ignore. So today, I'm not here to sell you a miracle. I'm here to guide you through a simple 7-day personal experiment. I'll show you exactly how to do it, the type of oil to use, and, most importantly, what to observe in your own body day by day so you can decide for yourself. Before we go any further, I want to know who's actually serious about testing this. If you're willing to approach your health like an adult, with curiosity instead of blind belief, tap the like button and head to the comments right now and write, "Ready." That small action tells me you're not just watching, you're preparing to participate. Now, let's get into the why behind this protocol. So what's the logic here? Most of us know castor oil as the harsh laxative our grandparents used, but that reputation overlooks its more subtle properties. Castor oil is nearly 90% composed of a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. The working theory is that when applied to the skin, this compound can be absorbed and may help support local circulation while calming inflammation. So why apply it here, over the liver? Think of your liver not as a simple filter that gets clogged, but as a highly sophisticated processing plant that works tirelessly throughout your life. As we age, and after decades of processing food, environmental exposures, and stress, the liver operates under a heavier metabolic load. Over time, its efficiency can naturally decline. When the liver is working overtime, the effects can ripple throughout the body, showing up as joint stiffness, persistent fatigue, and restless sleep. The working theory behind applying a castor oil pack is that the combination of the oil and gentle heat supports the body in 2 key ways. First, it may help support local lymphatic flow. The lymphatic system acts as the body's drainage network, clearing metabolic waste products. Gently stimulating this area could assist that natural process. Second, and this is often noticed more quickly, it can help calm the autonomic nervous system. It helps shift your body out of the tense fight or flight state and into the deeply restorative rest and digest state. This state is absolutely essential for tissue repair, inflammation management, and truly restorative sleep. Now, let's move from theory into practice. Your setup matters for both effectiveness and safety, and it takes about 2 minutes. First, the oil. I strongly recommend choosing an oil that is organic, cold-pressed, and hexane-free. Just as important, it should come in a dark glass bottle. While the risk varies, some plastics can leach compounds into oils over time. Glass is a simple way to ensure purity without unwanted extras. Second, the pack. You can use organic cotton flannel, but purpose-made packs are designed specifically for this practice. They include a waterproof outer layer to prevent stains and comfortable straps to keep everything in place. This makes the process much cleaner and far easier to stick with. Third, a gentle heat source. A simple hot water bottle works perfectly. It provides moist, gentle heat that gradually cools, making it safe and suitable for overnight use. Now, the application. This is your nightly ritual. First, protect your surfaces. Lay an old towel on your bed or wherever you'll be resting. Next, pour about 1 tablespoon of oil onto the center of the pack. There's no need to saturate it. Just spread the oil evenly. Lie down comfortably and place the pack directly over the liver area, which is the upper right portion of the abdomen. Place the warm water bottle on top and secure everything with the straps. That's it, your part is done. I recommend leaving it on for at least 60 minutes while you read or relax. The easiest approach, however, is simply to wear it to bed. One quick tip: if you have sensitive skin, start with just 30 minutes on the first night to see how your body responds before extending the duration. Now, this is the heart of our experiment. For the next 7 days, I want you to become a careful detective of your own body. Don't look for magic. Look for measurable changes. Keep a small notebook by your bed. On days 1 and 2, your primary focus is sleep and relaxation. Before bed, note the time. In the morning, estimate how long it took you to fall asleep. Did your mind feel calmer? Most importantly, track how many times you woke during the night. A reduction from 3 awakenings to 1 is a meaningful win. You may also notice changes in digestion the following morning, such as a more complete bowel movement. This is a commonly reported early sign. By days 3 and 4, add digestion and bloating to your observations. In the evening, rate bloating or abdominal fullness on a simple 0-10 scale, where 0 is none and 10 is extreme discomfort. Are you seeing a downward trend? That's a strong signal your digestive system is under less stress. Continue monitoring sleep quality as well. This is often when men report deeper, more sustained sleep. As you move into days 5, 6, and 7, shift your attention to inflammation and energy. Using the same 0-10 scale, rate any persistent joint stiffness, such as in the knees or lower back, first thing in the morning, when it's typically most noticeable. Is your day 7 number lower than day 1? Even a 1 or 2 point improvement is meaningful. Also, pay close attention to the afternoon energy dip around 3 p.m. Is it less intense? Do you feel steadier, more consistent energy throughout the day? Finally, on day 7, take a moment to look in the mirror. Skin often reflects internal health. Many people report a clearer, brighter complexion after a week, which may suggest a lower overall inflammatory burden. By the end of the week, you won't be relying on vague impressions. You'll have real data. You'll know whether your sleep latency decreased, nighttime awakenings declined, bloating scores improved, and joint stiffness eased. That's actionable information you can use to judge whether the experiment worked for you. Let's avoid a few common pitfalls. I've already emphasized using a quality oil, but be mindful of the mess as well. Nothing derails consistency faster than stained sheets. Use an old towel and a dedicated pack every single time. A frequent question is, how do I clean the pack? You don't need to wash it daily. Store it in a glass container in the refrigerator between uses. Hand wash it once a week using baking soda and a natural soap. Advanced tip: to potentially enhance the effect, try 5 minutes of gentle diaphragmatic breathing after applying the pack. Deep belly breaths can further stimulate lymphatic flow and calm the nervous system, creating a powerful synergy with the pack. And of course, an important safety note: do not apply the pack over broken skin or open wounds. If you have a serious medical condition, especially liver disease, this practice is not a substitute for medical care. Always consult your physician. So there you have it, a structured 7-day experiment. This isn't about believing me, it's about gathering your own evidence. In just 1 week, using a simple traditional oil, you can collect meaningful data on your sleep, digestion, and daily comfort. This is about reclaiming an active role in your own health. It's a simple yet powerful way to support your body's natural capacity for healing. I invite you to join me. Become your own health detective. Head to the comments right now and write, "I'm starting. I'm committed to the 7-day experiment." And remember, supporting your body from the outside in is a powerful first step. But for long-term vitality after 50, it's just as important to support your liver from the inside out through nutrition, targeted supplementation, and sustainable lifestyle habits. Thank you for your time and your trust. Like this video if you found it valuable, subscribe for more, and I look forward to reading about your results.